today's vlog, we will introduce to all of you the use of mathematics in our class.
Mostly, our focus is more on detail.
Provide some ingredients that we need.
Yo guys, before we cook or make our dishes, the first thing that we do is boil up the ingredients that we need.
We need the proper use of mathematics in the correct addition and subtraction of the ingredients that we have spent.
It is important that we know how much money is to allocate and how much money we will divide.
I am Abigail Olager, and we will show you how we do the costing report and how it connects to the mathematics subject.
One whole chicken breast costs 47 pesos. 1/8 kilograms of mayonnaise costs 30 pesos. One plain Greek yogurt costs 41 pesos. One wrap of wonton wrapper costs 24 pesos. One celery costs 10 pesos. One dried tarragon costs 35 pesos. One wrap dried cranberries costs 50 pesos. One wrap of walnuts costs 83 pesos. Total of 320 pesos.
The number of pieces of chicken salad bites that we made is 40, and the price of each pieces is 20 pesos. To be able to get gross income, you will multiply the price of each pieces by the number of pieces that you made. 20 times 40 equals 800. So the gross income is 800 pesos. For our net income or interest, you just need to subtract your income from the total that you have paid for your ingredients. 800 minus 320 equals 480. Our net income or interest is 480. This is what we are doing after we are done cooking, a costing report. It helps, especially if we decided to sell it or start a business.
Hi, my name is Godwin Macaraig from TBLHE. This tool is called a frosting spatula and is usually used in baking to smooth out the icing on the cake. As you can see, the shape of is triangle. It can be used as an example of triangular that has side can be on acute angle.
Hi everyone, I'm Grisam Espiritu. There is also a different shape of a baking pan, where there are rectangles and squares. If you look back at our lesson in junior high school, this can be used as an example of a right angle, because each side has a 90% angle.
In every pan, there are sizes, and we need to use proper mathematics to determine what size it is, to a proper result when we bake. One example of this is the size of pans that we use for cake like bento cakes.
If you don't have measuring cup, you can use tablespoon or teaspoon by converting it. You can see it in the diagram. It is better for you to know this because if you ever don't have a measuring cup that you will use, you can use a tablespoon instead. And sometimes, since the 3/4 measuring cup wasn't there, you just needed to add the 1/2 cup and 1/8 cup.
It is important that you know the proper measurements or conversions just in case you don't have the tools you will need.
In baking, we will use a weight scale for small quantities since we convert the kilograms to grams or liters to milliliters since only small quantities are needed.
And we also need to know this because, as a trivial students, we should know how much protein they will add to our dish based on how many grams of our ingredients we will use.
As TBLH students, the mathematics subject literally help us to make our job easier. Some of them don't really appreciate it because it's hard to understand. But once you look for its bright side and how deep it is to understand, you will realize that mathematics can be applied anywhere to help us and make easier for us to finish our tasks. This made us realize that even though mathematics is one of the hardest subjects for some students, there are a lot of advantages at the same time. I hope you've also learned a lot from our blog. Thanks for watching!